In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor in WordPress on your local host. Whether you're setting up a testing environment or just want to play around with different designs without affecting your live site, installing Elementor on your local setup can be incredibly useful. We'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First off, go ahead and log into your local WordPress dashboard. If you're unfamiliar with this process, remember, this usually involves opening your browser and typing in a URL similar to localhost your website name /upadmin. You should then see the WordPress login page, where you'll need to enter your username and password. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar WordPress admin interface. This is your control center for everything WordPress related, from content management to plugin installation, which is precisely what we're here for today. Now that you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find an option labeled Plugins, which is your gateway to new functionalities in WordPress. Hover over it with your mouse, and you'll notice a few more options popping out. Among these, you'll see Add New. Click this option to begin the process of adding a new plugin to your WordPress site. Once you've clicked Add New, you will be led to a page filled with thousands of plugins ready for installation. Near the top right corner of this page, there's a search bar. Click into this search bar and type in Elementor Website Builder. Elementor is a powerful tool for creating beautiful, responsive designs for your WordPress site without needing to write any code. After you enter the search term, WordPress will filter through its vast library of plugins to show you the exact match that we need. Now you should see Elementor appear near the top of your search results. When it does, locate the Install Now button situated next to it. Give it a click and watch as WordPress begins to download and install the plugin. This might take a few moments, so just hang tight while WordPress completes the installation process. Once the installation process is complete, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Make sure you click Activate to finalize the process. Activation essentially tells WordPress to start using the plugin on your site, and you'll be redirected back to your main plugins page. Here, you'll see Elementor listed among your active plugins ready to be used. And there you have it. Elementor is now installed and activated on your WordPress localhost. You can now start exploring the countless design possibilities it offers and start building stunning web pages with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!